Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salamun alaikum, dear brothers and sisters all over the world. I hope, inshallah, all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله ولتنظر نفس ما قدمت لغد واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون. It means, O you who believe, be careful of your duty to Allah, and let every soul consider that it has sent on for the morrow. And be careful of your duty to Allah. Surely Allah is aware of what you do. In 1363 AH, Imam Khomeini wrote a letter to his son and said at the beginning of the letter, "My son, read the Surah Al-Hashr, which contains treasures of education and training, and it is worth a person to think about them for a lifetime, especially the last verses, since God says, O you who believe, be careful of your duty to Allah, and let every soul consider what it has sent on for the morrow, and be careful of your duty to Allah." In this verse, Almighty God has given us two commands which are very, very important, and we have to put much importance on the second one. One is the command to obey God's commands, and secondly, the order to check the actions that have been done so that if there are defects, they can be fixed. In order to know the quality of our actions and worship and whether it has been accepted or not, there is a way. There is a way to find out. That way is considering what our soul has saved for tomorrow. Everyone knows themselves well. We may not remember the number of past works, but it is enough to see what we are interested in now. This is a key, my brothers and sisters. If we are interested in doing good things, it is a good sign that we have done good things in the past. And if we like doing things that God doesn't like, we should know that we didn't have a good past. Ramadan month, this blessed month, is the month of getting rid of past sins and flowing towards goodness. Let's appreciate this month and this precious opportunity and pray and move to blessings of Allah and to purification. All the best to you. Bye.